my channel. We're gonna unbox the new characters of my Akedo Beaststrike. So let's go.
Beaststrike? Beaststrike?
Okay. I don't know if I can open this. I can't open this. My dad helped me with the packaging, so now I can open this. Okay, so first we got Alpha Wolf. The armor right there. First it pops off, then you have to split strike it. And hey, let me see. Okay, then next we have this is Alpha Wolf, and then next we have Drillborg. I think that's his name. And it's the same with him. His armor pops off. It's the same with him. His armor pops off. But he has 4 arms instead. This is how it goes. I don't really know how to. Oh, there. That's how you use the new controller. And it even came with a new controller that you push the button instead. So you don't need the Akedo Beaststrike setup. We did not know that. Wait, what is this? Okay, Reese. Are you ready to open it, Reese?
What?
I don't really know how. Again, my dad helped me with the packaging, so now we can open them. And I don't know what this is. Here it is. Here it is. Here's the new control. Here's Alpha Wolf's armor wizard. Okay, now let's get him out. Okay, let's go to. So now we're opening Drillborg. Here's Drillborg. And I don't know how to get these out. So now I'm gonna unbox Alpha Wolf. And the armor is just the hardest to get out. We'll come back to Alpha Wolf. Oh, Reese, you already got them both out. So this is how Drillborg just split. So and he split again. Okay, so is this how you put them on? Okay, I don't know how to put these on. I'm just gonna try to get this out. Reese, how did you get this out? So now I'm gonna get the armor off. Reese, let's get ready to battle now. Reese, let's get ready to battle. And I don't know how to put this on. The button splits it. Okay, there. Got it on. First one is on. Reese, I need him. That might be. This one is the hardest to get on. Okay, there. I got him on. And now it fell off again. There, got him on. We're gonna have to battle now, Reese. Ready, fight, split strike. Okay, it was first to two split strikes win, so.
For my head.
It's not your head.
It's not right. My head.
Yeah, it's on there.
1, 2.
Ready, fight, split strike. Reese, fight. Just hit the button hard. I beat him again. Apple's armor didn't even come off. Okay, Reese, one last battle. No armor this time. And I can't get it off.
Up here.
I can't get... No, mine fell off. Reese, mine fell off. Now I'm just a wolf. Reese might beat me this time. Okay, I won. For now, Alpha Wolf is the champ, but they do come with different new controllers, but they can go on the original.